Why are you here? I mean, why are you really here? Big question. Listen, if you've reached out to DefendFit through my website and you want to train in martial arts, fitness, or firearms, great. We have 8 curriculums and there's all kinds of transformation going on there. Really, about your personal protection and your muscle, your fitness and wellness. But I have a much bigger program and mindset that I call Living Inside Out. Living Inside Out takes everything that comes through your eyes and ears and it manifests in your mind and becomes who you are. So what you feed your mind is critically important. So I have 7 areas that I think we should all be working on. I've been working on this for over 40 years myself. The 7 categories, the 7 M's for transformation, are ministry, all about what your calling and purpose in life is. Marriage, guarding every relationship, nurturing the good ones and getting rid of the bad ones. Mentoring, giving and receiving. Media, guarding what goes in your eyes and ears, feeding it good input, feeding your mind great input. Martial arts and muscle, 2 sides of a similar coin. Personal protection, being a warrior, being dangerous, but yet seeking peace is a powerful place to walk through life. Muscle, fitness, wellness, looking good, feeling good, bone density, organ function, nutritional understanding, all that, rest and recovery. And then money. Have you heard money is the root of all evil? Not so. The love of money is the root of all evil. So we need to have a balanced approach to living. And this is what I think of as mastering the art of living well. Let me read you something. The master in the art of living makes little distinction between his work and his play, his labor and his leisure, his mind and his body, his information and his recreation, his love and his religion. He hardly knows which is which. He simply pursues his vision of excellence at whatever he does, leaving others to decide whether he's working or playing. To him, he's always doing both. And that's my mindset when I teach on the mat, when I go to church, when I play, when I surf, when I do any of the things that I love to do, spending time with my family. And so I want you to get part of that. I'm going to have some workshops so you can plug in to any one of these 7 categories with the exclusion to all other 6. You could just do one, or you could come and do any particular one. We'll be doing business coaching, how to start a company, how to manage your money. We'll have guest speakers. We'll have experts for every category. I'll be teaching some. Most of the workshops will have 2 to 3 categories. I'm looking at always teaching us some form of martial arts, pepper spray, firearm, something, Muay Thai, boxing techniques, Krav Maga, and then adding the other 2 categories. It might be about nutrition, could be about relationship intelligence, it could be about money. And so join us as we start to launch these workshops. Come in at Train at DefendFit so you can start building your identity, building your confidence, building your health and wellness, and ultimately plugging into my Master of Living Well, which is the 7 M's in what I call living inside out. Come see us, because iron sharpens iron at DefendFit, a family of warriors training with purpose. Hope to see you soon.